In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp unable to start camera. So if you're having this message when you open your WhatsApp, then I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to fix this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to close our WhatsApp. And after you've done that, close your WhatsApp app and turn off your phone and turn it on again. So right now, check if this solves your problem. If it does not solve your problem, then do the following. Go to your app store and type in WhatsApp, then go ahead and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And right now, check if it is working. Updating to the latest version mostly helps you solve your problems, as this will solve bugs and stuff like that. So go ahead and try this. And if this still does not work, then let's move on to the following. Go to your settings, click on General, iPhone storage, click on WhatsApp, and in here click on Offload app. As you can see, this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So this is a way to restore your WhatsApp from inside. So when you implement all of these things, your problem should be solved. And that is how you can fix WhatsApp unable to start camera. So I hope this video helped you out. Smash the like button. Thank you for watching.